Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the car and phone. Sit in the driver's seat, ignition to ACC or engine running, and make sure the Brezza display is awake. Plug a high-quality USB cable into the car's USB port or select Wireless Android Auto in settings if supported. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and location, open Android Auto, and grant permissions. Once done, the head unit should prompt pairing. Accept on both screens, so the system can negotiate. You now complete pairing and decide what the system can do. After the initial handshake, tap Accept on the Brezza screen and your phone to allow contacts, media, and location access. This lets navigation and calls work. On the car display, select Android Auto as the active source and pick which apps to show. Make sure to mark the phone as a trusted device in Android Auto settings so future connections are automatic. If audio routes wrong, change media output to the car. You finish by testing the core features. Start navigation to confirm voice directions, place a call hands-free, and play a track. Make sure voice commands trigger Google Assistant on the head unit. Press the steering wheel voice button if needed. If Android Auto disconnects, unplug and replug the cable, restart your phone, or toggle Bluetooth and USB permissions. If problems persist, swap cables, try another USB port, or update the car's firmware. These steps resolve most connection and recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.